Hey there, this is a video for Unit 3. It's number 2. It's a continuation of angle vocabulary. And here what we've got is this lovely diagram and a whole bunch of angles down there. And we're going to see if we can find them all. So we got to go angle B, H, E. So we start at B. Where's B? There's B. And then we go to H. And then we go to E. So we're going to label this as angle number 1. All right, now we need angle C, K, D. So we start at C, and then we go to K, and then we go to D. Oh, look. That kind of angle is that one? Yes, indeed, it's a straight angle. At this point, I would suggest you turn off the video and do the rest of the questions, and then turn it back on, and make sure you got them all right. So, can I trust you? Turn it off. Okay. I trust that you did, because watching me do the video isn't going to get you that much help. It's really important that you do your work yourself. Even if you get it wrong, right? You're going to learn something. But just sitting there passively watching me do this is, I don't know, you might as well just watch something on YouTube. It's going to be more exciting, though not educational compared to what I do. All right, angle KHA. So start at K. Oh, there's K, and then we go to H, and then we go to A. So there's number 3. Angle DKF. D to K to F. So that is angle 4. I'm just going to take my highlighter and highlight angle 2 like this, because I was starting to get confused. AHK. So AHK. Wait a minute. That says it's number 5. It also says it's number 3. Aha, so check it out. Right, remember from the previous video, there's more than one way to talk about an angle, as long as the middle one is the same. Well, if you flip the first and the third, it's going to be exactly the same thing. I did that on purpose, just to remind you. Now we got angle HKD. So we start H, and then we go to K, and we go to D. So that's the angle here. So this is number 6. Angle FHA. F, ooh, all the way up there to H to A. Okay, so this, and I didn't even think about that, is also yet another way to name the same angle. That one I didn't do on purpose. BKD. So B to K to D. So there's number 8. Anyway, so again, given the choice, I will be lazy and I will put numbers in whenever I can, because this is, it's not hard. It's just, I have to think more. Make sure I have everything right. Whereas if I have number 1, I know that's number 1. I'm pretty clever that way. But I know you are too. All right, let's look at a couple more angly words here. So one is supplementary, and I'm just going to highlight the other one down the bottom too. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. And one of my former students, his name was Larry, and I don't want to use his last name, but Larry, you know who you are. He told me, look it up. Supplementary and straight both begin with S. So I personally don't have a problem getting those confused anymore, because I just remember that supplementary forms a straight line. Ta-da! Little tip for you. All right, so supplementary means your angles, whatever they are, A plus B is 180 degrees. So if this is 120, then this is going to be 60, because 120 plus 60 is 180. Or you can do subtracting. You can go 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. Either one's good. All right, this one's kind of the same. What's this angle here? Well, who am I kidding? You already know it, but 180 degrees in the whole angle. So minus 90. So it's 90 degrees over here. So two angles, both of 90 degrees, are supplementary. 120 degrees and 60 degrees are supplementary. And here we have a squishy little angle of 12 degrees, which means this angle out here, the supplement of 12 degrees is 180 degrees minus 12, and 168 degrees. So when you talk about supplementary angles, they almost always occur in pairs. I guess if you really wanted to, you could talk about having three angles. I'm just going to draw that in. So maybe this is 60 degrees. Oh, it looks like I made them all the same. And this is 60 degrees. So those three angles are 180 degrees. You're not going to see that very often. Most of the time, they'll just talk about pairs. Oh, there's one here. What is the supplement of an angle of 54 degrees? So 180 degrees, because it's straight line, minus 54. And I'm not going to be proud today. I have no problem using my phone. I don't know where my calculator is today. So 180 degrees minus 54. Oh, my co-star is starting to get cranky. 126 degrees. That is the supplement. Okay. And there is a cool little web link there if you want to do some more work on supplementary angles. I want to keep this video short, so I'm not going to pop over there and take a look at it. All right, last one. Last little bit here. Complementary angles add up to, oh, look at the picture, right, 90 degrees. And again, my friend, student Larry, complementary and corner. So you have no excuse to get those confused. That's nice, easy mnemonic for you, memory device. So if this is 73, I don't know how well you can see that, and that's X. If I want to find X, I go 90 degrees, which is my total, minus 73 degrees. I'm going to be honest, it's the middle of summer and really hot. I don't want to think. Minus 73 is 17 degrees. All right, so we want to find this one. Oh, look, it's another 12 degrees. I don't know why that is. 90 degrees minus 12 degrees. Okay, 90 minus 10, 80 minus 2 more should be 78 degrees. Now, I apologize. This one's really, really small down there. You're probably going, it looks pretty simple. But you know what? We can mess around and have some fun questions with this that involve solving equations. I don't know if you can see this, but this actually says 2x plus 46. So that's this one. And this is 3x minus 6. Well, what are those angles? I don't know. But I do know that these two form a square corner, so they equal 90. So if I add them up, I'm going to get 90 degrees. And then you have a handy dandy equation that you have to solve. And you know the steps for multi-solving equation because you have gone through the videos on those. If not, you should. It's easy. So I'm going to collect my like terms here. So I got 2x and I got 3x, which gives me 5x. And I've got 46 and I've got minus 6. So I'm just going to collect those numbers, which is going to give me plus 40 is equal to 90 degrees. So I can't put those together because they're not like terms, but I can move the 40 over to the other side to have all my numbers here. So 5x, whoops, minus 40, minus 40. 90 minus 40 is 50. And then I'm going to isolate the x. So x is equal to 10. Yeah, sorry. You've got to be careful in a question like this. I don't know. Okay, I stole it from somewhere. I can't remember if it said solve for x or whether it said find the angles. If it said solve for x, we are done. If it says find the angles, we are not done. Because we know that top angle, I got it from here, I think I do, is 2x plus 46. Well, x is 10, so that's going to give me 2 times 10 plus 46. 2 times 10 is, that'd be about 20 plus 46. So 20 and 46 is 66. So that's my one angle. And I'm going to draw an arrow there. Okay. I'm running out of room, so I guess I'll do it over here. 3x minus 6 is my other one. And again, x was 10. So 3 times 10 minus 6 is 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6 is 24. Put a degrees there and a degrees there. So if they ask for the angles are 66 and 24. And even one more. I want to make sure that 66 plus 24, that better be 90. 6 and 4 is 0, carry the 1. Cool. So there's my check. Those are my two answers, and x is 10. So there'll be a question every once in a while where you actually have to do a bunch of work. But for the most part, you need to remember that complementary angles form a corner, which is 90 degrees, and supplementary angles form a straight line, which is 180 degrees. And that is it for this video.